What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be checking out Self Crypto, making a lot of noise in the space recently. Just recently had its pre-sale and launched, so we're going to check it out, guys. Always remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. So never invest more than you're willing to lose. Welcome to Self. Wouldn't it be great if you didn't need extensive explanations to understand a crypto project fully? At Self, we believe less is more, and that's why we want to make your life around crypto way easier. Take a couple minutes to go through our documents and you will understand why Self is all you need in crypto. And then you can go through the white paper. What is Self? Self is a fully decentralized project enabling users to build a Web3 identity. Combining ease of use with avatars through our NFT technology, we eliminate the need for complicated address strings and connect everything across the web, from your wallet, emails, and official documents to loyalty cards and much more. Token utility, usernames, NFT purchases. Nice. Oh, usernames, NFT purchases, NFT growth upgrades, auctions, staking as well. Service fees, fees on secondary transfers. Nice stuff. Okay. Avatar to enhance your Web3 identity, loyalty card storage, documentation, auto chain recognition. Once users have uploaded their data, the Self NFT will allow for ACR corresponding to users' wallet addresses. Okay. One-time selection of chain data will give you ACR for spending and receiving crypto to Self identities. Very nice. Avatar to enhance your Web3 identity, loyalty card storage, documentation, and meet our team. Have Enrique, Docs team, Kimberly. Have a Docs team, which is great. A Docs team, always a plus for me. That's bonus points. And then they have their roadmap. Future chains added. So nice utility, very interesting project, very innovative utility. Already have a partnership with Certic. Nice stuff. Total supply, tokenomics, team 10%, operations 30%, treasury 20%. Nice breakdown of tokenomics here. Let's take a look at the Self Twitter. 13.4k followers on Twitter. They recently went live. If you don't know now, you know. So they have a video right here. Let's check it out. Pretty cool innovation right here with the utility. A lot of people have been harping on the fact that, you know, crypto addresses are these long text with numbers and letters, and it would be much easier if that was simplified. So this is very nice here. Pretty cool stuff, man. I showed you everything through the scan. Already submitted to be a part of CoinMarketCap cons. Name in the space I follow. Talking about Self. Shelby as well. Talked about Self a few days ago. Today we have a great launch on PancakeSwap. His project has everything the moon. Many projects about to be released in a short time. Take control of your digital life and online identity with self. Even Crypto Tony as well. Super good and bullish launch on self this afternoon, so congrats to all. Dex2's verified and CG applications successful. Their products go live when 10 million market cap. So yeah guys, I'm just covering the project for you guys to check out. Absolutely crushed it from the pre-sale. I think pre-salers are up 10x, but I just wanted to bring it to the channel because a lot of people didn't know about the project and now they're getting in, so helping to spread the awareness. $1.24 million in market cap, so a 10x from here, highly possible. Very, very possible, guys. Think about that. Another 10x from here is very possible. Okay, like what I see with the project, very bullish stuff. If you hold self, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let me know what other projects I should check out, and become a Patreon member, guys. Support the channel, get access to my private Discord, exclusive and early content as well, and I will be doing giveaways in the future. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.